With complex mesh bodies like this 3D scan can be difficult for most computers due to the large number of facets generated. SOLIDWORKS 2020 introduces the Mesh Decimation tool, which can simplify the model to your specifications. The user simply has to input a percentage decrease target and hit calculate. Now that we've reduced the complexity of the mesh body, we want to generate a solid model. Let's start by first creating an axis through the center of the mesh geometry. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, creating reference axes and planes from the mesh geometry is now supported, and the new Tangency Select tool makes quick work of selecting the facets you want while avoiding the facets you don't. After the model is complete, it can be compared to the initial mesh data using the new Body Compare tool. This provides a visual heat map showing the maximum distance between the vertices of the original mesh and the finalized solid body, making it very easy to find inaccurate features or features that weren't modeled at all. With tools like Decimation and Body Compare, SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes working with complex mesh data effortless.